Okay, hi everybody. It's Lisa, Joyfully Art. I'm gonna make another video. My cup. Gonna use a 12 by 12 canvas today. First off, I want to tell you that I am so close. Got like 98, 97, 98 subscribers. So come on, people. Couple more. Tell your friends, tell your family. Let's get that 100 so we can do our giveaway, please. All right. Look at this. Look at this. It worked. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. Got the pearls. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So it'll be up on Etsy. But if you want to get a hold of me before I put it up on Etsy, because I think it'll go fast. It's so beautiful, and I haven't done any finishes on it yet. So if you want it, and if you want it resined or just clear coated, let me know before I go ahead and do anything with it. There we go. All my information, you know, is in the drop box below each video. All right. So let's get to that 100. Only like 2 more subscribers and we'll be there. And it's going to be a great one, believe me. Been thinking about it for a long time. Today I think I will try a cloud pour. I just had a little bit of the cloud mixture left, so we'll give it a try. This is some leftover paint that I had, and I know it's not enough for this canvas, so I've got some other paint that we're going to use, but we'll start with this. Put some in the bottom of my cup. It's just going to be like a dirty pour or a jiggle pour. Do that, and then this is the cloud mixture. Put it on. Put some of that in. And then I had some Cad Red Light Hue. To me it looks orange. So do some orange. And then I have some unbleached titanium. Looks like it's got a mess on the end, so let's squirt some of that out. Try and get that out so it won't end up in the painting. I'll have to look for it in the painting because I can't get it out. I did shake this, but let's give it a little bit more of a shake. There we go. There we go with that. And this is, a primary yellow. Just that. And then some more of the leftover. That is really pretty. Got a lot in there, a lot of different colors. More of the cloud mix. Hope everybody's been doing good. I know it has. It's been all right around here. Oh, back from vacation, still trying to get things all settled around the house. I bet you guys know how that is. You get home and got 10,000 million things to get done because you've been gone for a couple weeks. And there we go. And those gloves that were so big and everything, I went and got some that fit, but I'm putting these over the top thinking that maybe, because I hate to waste them, thinking that maybe they would fit tighter, but they're not, so I'm just going to have to do away with them, I guess. I can't do anything with them on. I'm just going to pinch my cup here. I'm going to do a little jiggle in the front. Get rid of that pile right there because I'll end up sticking my hand in it or something. Okay, here we go. Let's hope for the best. Jiggle, 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 and we wiggle, wiggle. Ooh, it looks really pretty here. Looks pretty in the cup. I hope we get some clouds out of it. off another paper towel. That didn't work right. And I forgot to, I had to take my sticks off to put on some new plastic, and forgot to level my sticks. So that was kind of dumb of me. So it doesn't look like they're very level because it's coming off this side over here. A little bit too much. Filled up my torch the other day, so it should be good to go. Get rid of some of the air bubbles. You don't know how happy I was when that started to, that other painting started to get the pearls out of it. Dog hair. Got it off before I tilted my painting. Move this up here so maybe I won't get anything on it. I don't think I'll need it. All right. We'll get some good cloud mixture out of this. Like the colors are pretty good. Oh, these gloves. I'm just going to have to, maybe I'll put them out in the garage for my husband to try and use when he's out there. His hands are like 40 times bigger than mine. I have very small hands and he has gigantic hands. Believe it or not, our newest little grandson, he's going to be a year old next week. His hands are identical to my husband's. They're humongous. He sure does have Papa's hands. Oh, goodness. Boy, that clouded up really good. Let me bring this back down. I know you can't see it, but you just bring it down some. I'm sorry about showing you the back. I don't want to change it and take a chance on missing with that. Get my hands wiped off because I see something in my paint. Get my rag. Never fails. There's always something in there. I told you there was something in my titanium unbleached. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull these nasty, too big gloves off. Actually, these blue ones are a little bit too big. They were some generic ones that I picked up at Walmart. It says one size fits all. And you know when it says that, that's a joke. Because one size doesn't fit all. There, I think I got that. Oh my, that is stunning. That's clouded up so nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let me see how my sides have done. Space right there. But other than that, I hated pouring off some of my cloud mixture at the sides. Seems like whenever I touch them, it does worse. Wipe off my sticks a little bit. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I've been fortunate lately. My paintings have all come out the way that I want them to. I don't know. Somebody's smiling down on me lately. There's another goober in my paint. You don't know how hard it is to clean those paint bottles out all the time and make sure that nothing gets into them. You know what? I'm not going to do a thing to this. It is gorgeous the way that it is. Look at that. So beautiful. Get it down there. I saw something on the side here. I'm going to have to take a stick and get that after camera. I'll fix my sides. After I shut off, there's a little bit everywhere, I think. There we go. It's really important though. I can't stress this enough, and I've heard other artists do it also. Take a stick, run it along the bottom, and the extra paint that you get, if you've got a space, you can use it to fill in your sides, but you need to run it and get that extra paint off, or it will pull down your design. And you need to keep doing it even after the video is done. Make sure you come back every 10-15 minutes for a while until it gets settled, or it'll take your design right off your canvas. It is very important that you do that. All right, I gave you the close-up. I told you about, please get me that 2 or 3 more subscribers and we'll have that big giveaway. I want to thank you all for watching, listening to my jibber jabber as we go. I'll take these off so maybe I could clean them and use them again. I hate wasting stuff. Things have gotten so expensive these days. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. Share. Give me a thumbs up. That always helps with YouTube. Believe it or not, watching the whole video clear to the end, that helps too. Instead of cutting off, you know, when you think the video's done or you're done watching, if you could watch clear to the end, that would help too. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If there's anything you want to see me do, or tell me what you like, what you don't like. I'm up for criticism also. I can take it. And that's about it. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. And as always, please have a great day.